Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and today I will show you how you can turn on or turn off watermark in your photos. So you have to go for your camera, next you have to be in the photo mode, and then you have to switch to the settings. And when you're here, we have to scroll down, and as you can see, when we scroll down we can find the watermark option right here in this place. So we have to tap on the switcher to activate. When you tap on it, you can also customize this watermark, but let's leave it like that. Go back, take photo, and take a look. On the left bottom corner we got our mark on the photo. So take a look, there it is. And as you can see, that's all. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.